So we're setting up camp for this evening, and we're going to need some lighting to help us see around the campsite for what we're cooking. What I would like to show you is the light that we're going to use. It's from Oztrail. It's called the Comet. It's a 25 watt light, draws about 2 amps. So let's have a look what it comes with. This is the bag. It's a nice lightweight bag with a zip, and all these components are in it. Over to my left here is the pole and the extender with some cables. There's a couple of battery lead connectors through a SIGGI plug. Over here is a switch. This switch is keen and useful turning on and off, but also you can dim it. We'll show you that a bit later. An extension lead, a couple of ties. The light itself, it's aluminium, it's lightweight, great reflector, and the LED light source is inside, and it uses all waterproof fittings. And one other part is the stake, which we've already whacked in the ground for demonstration purposes. So there we have it. Let's put it together and see how it works. Now you might think I'm actually fishing in the desert, but I'm actually not. We're about to put the light together. It comes as an extended pole, and it looks very much like a fishing rod. It's simply a case of pulling out the pole, and as you do it, you twist it and it locks into position. It's quite lightweight. Just keep going, locking it as I go. There it is as assembled. I'll just put that over there out of the way. Now on the end of it is a clip. This is where the light hangs. So we just clip that on. And then the lead just connects in there. And we do that up. That's got the light connected. Now we've got a bit of excess cable. So that's simply a case of grabbing the end and pulling it through, which I shall now do. With the cable now pulled through, I can now drop this into the holder, like so. Now that's the light set up. As I said, it comes with a SIGGI connector and extension lead, so that works well for us because in the back of our car we've got a SIGGI plug, so we'll just plug that in there, and then I can run that through the connector here to the dimmer switch. Connect that up, connect the other fitting, and that's it. That's our light set up for this evening. So there it is. We'll show you a bit later how great the light is, but we've been really impressed with the actual illumination. It lights up the whole camp. It's from Oztrail, the Comet 25 watt. Well, night falls upon us and we're just getting organised to cook tonight's tea. Tonight we're going to be using our Weber, but we can see what we're doing because of the light that's above us. This unique light from Oztrail, the Comet, is doing its job perfectly. Now you saw earlier today when I put it all together and had set it up. So just have a look at the light throw that this thing's got. If we just step back and I'll try and give you a bit of a view of how big the light is. It's quite large. I'd be saying it's probably in the order of about 10 meters in full circumference. I can easily move to the side of our camper, see to get in and out. I can see to move to the car, and of course I can see more so to be able to get ready for our cooking. So the Oztrail light is doing its job. Tonight it's close to the camper for our Weber cooking. But we've used it in the recent weeks where we've had the light further aside to us, where we might have had a campfire out to the side, run a bit of extra cable, we can move the light out to there and give us adequate lighting. The other feature I mentioned earlier was the dimmer, so I'll just drop that now and give you an idea of how that dimmer works. So at the moment we've got it on full amperage, but I'm just going to turn it down now. So at the end of the night, once you've all eaten and cooked, look at that, you can have nice secluded dim lighting. But of course we're still to cook tonight, so I need to have that light up full bore. And remember, that's only drawing 2 amps. So that's, nothing. So there you have it, the Comet 25 watt from Oztrail. If you're in the market for lighting, We'd thoroughly recommend it.